Top 10 most expensive private jets owned by celebrities. These celebrities don't just travel, they rule the skies in flying mansions. Number 10. Taylor Swift's Dassault Falcon 900, worth $40 million. Number 9. Jay-Z and Beyoncé's Bombardier Challenger 850, worth $40 million. Number 8. Oprah Winfrey's Bombardier Global Express XRS, valued at $42 million. Number 7. Celine Dion's Bombardier BD 700 Global Express, priced at $50 million. Number 6. John Travolta's Boeing 707, a collector's gem valued at $60 million. Number 5. Elon Musk's Gulfstream G65OER estimated at $70 million. Number 4. Kylie Jenner's Kylie Air Gulfstream G65OER, worth $72 million. Number 3. Donald Trump's Boeing 757 Trump Force One, valued over $100 million. Number 2. Kim Kardashian's Gulfstream G65OER customized for $150 million. Number 1. Drake's Boeing 767 Air Drake, valued at $185 million after luxury conversion.